Greetings YouTubers, welcome to another tutorial from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to easily add an emoji image right here to your video titles or description. And you see this a lot in those viral videos where they add a bunch of emojis. So I'm starting to do it myself. So here's how to do it. Just go to Google, type in a fire emoji, for instance right here, or tree emoji, happy face emoji, or whatever you want. There's an emoji for just about everything, so just type it in like this, fire emoji, and then any of these images that you see here are basically emojis. You can highlight it, so let me zoom in a little bit. So just highlight it with your mouse and then just copy like that, and then you can paste it directly just like that, and there it is. Or you can visit this link, emojipedia.org. Here on the site you can see the emoji right here. Click on the copy button and it is copied. You can go back here and let's paste it in just like that. So that's how you do it. Pretty easy to add emojis. I hope this helps. Thanks so much. Please subscribe to How to Webmaster for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again and happy YouTubing.